Hi there. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly convert any logo to a vector graphic using the Vectorize Bitmap tool in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to photopea.com and open your logo. Simply drag and drop your image or click File Open. Make sure your logo layer is selected. This step is important for the vectorization process. Now, go to Image, Vectorize Bitmap. A new settings window will pop up. Here, you can fine-tune the vectorization, adjust this to control how closely the shapes match the original. You can see a live preview as you adjust these settings. Once happy, click OK. Your logo is now a vector. Zoom in to see how the edges remain sharp. No matter the size. Finally, save your vector logo. Go to the File, Export as SVG for a scalable vector format. Or choose PDF for printing, and that's it. You've successfully converted your logo to a vector graphic using Photopea. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy designing!